Gotcha.
Here, I'll give that to you. Yeah, that, needless to say, the only place I can be is right where the shit is going, like in my face. As luck would have it.
That's how it always works when we're assembling stuff in the trunk.
Yeah. What'd I do with the antenna?
Are you laying on it? Is it conveniently located up your butt? Oh, no, it's over here. There you go.
I guess I must have realized that was getting on top of it.
All right. You want to give me the nut?
I might need to take another piece off.
Here, can you move it a little bit?
Which way you want it? Like that?
I think so. It's tight because it's got to go in at an angle.
Yeah.
And it's self-flushing. Hey, Wick, we need to trim just a little bit. You got it.
Like that?
That'll do it. Let me undo it up here.
It's hot in this trunk.
Imagine what happens when you piss the mob off.
Yeah. I wouldn't really want to get locked in the trunk. I don't think I would do very well with that.
Yeah, that wouldn't be too fun.
All right. Tool.
Tool. Table. Table tool. Tool to Wick.
All right. Let's see how easy this is.
Get the cool shot through the hole. Because sometimes you got to be an artist. Can't hold the damn thing still.
That looks like the factory did it.
That was a really neat shot too. You're gonna have to. You're gonna like this one. Oh, yeah, hey, Wick, that's hot. Guess what? When you grind something,
It gets hot?
makes friction and it gets hot.
I actually thought it was the first piece I cut off.
Welcome to
Reality. All right, I gotta get out for a second. Get a sip of water.
Wick needs a drink. Need a margarita machine.
Not quite as flexible as it used to be. Yeah. You need a margarita machine and a what do you call it? Refrigerator full of beer.
Yeah.
That's what we need.
Then we just would never leave.
Yeah.
Or
Hey,
just
by the
take
way,
it.
if you ever grind a piece of metal off and it falls down, don't try to pick it up.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Just let you know that. Heads up on that.
Life tips from Wick. Life tips from Wick.
It's supposed to seat on that, but that's it's got to be a lot closer than that.
Yeah.
So that's our problem. We tighten it up as tight as it will go.
And it hits that collar.
And the sheet metal's slightly thinner than that gap right there. I know that's hard to believe because this is a 60s car, but they didn't make it 3/4 of an inch thick.
Yeah. No.
So our question is, maybe you're right. Maybe we do make this hole a little bigger.
Just to slip over that flange right there.
We could be scientific about it and mic this and see what we got there.
Ooh, let's go fancy.
Or do you think if we really crank the living shit out of it, it'll? I don't know, man. It's like, see what it's doing already.
Yeah, I think.
I don't think you could crank it that much. You slip off of this. Let's mic it.
To the mic.
To the mic.
Da-da-da-da-da-da.
We just happen to have a mic right here.
And I got a backup mic out in the truck.
How handy is that?
Because we're fancy.
Okay, Mike, what do you think of this?
Mic check 1, 2. 6'3",
About 5/8,
15.
a little over 5/8.
Just a hair over 5/8.
Yeah, like a.
It's about 20 thou out around.
Mm-hmm. What's the inside of this bad boy?
Five, 6, 80.
What the hell is that?
Like
9/16.
not quite 9/16, or 9/16 ish. Yeah, it actually is 9/16 ish.
9/16 ish.
Yeah.
So if we go to 5/8 ish, we should be pretty good because
It'll press over that.
5/8 is
21.
625, right?
Yeah. So it's a hair under 5/8.
Hair under 5/8. What size bit do we just happen to have on there now? So it won't be that much.
Oh, how could we get lucky? Of course not.
Yeah, but we do have more bits over here. I just got to climb through all this nonsense to get to it.
Oh, Wick's got to climb in to the shenanigans.
I think we need more shit up here. Actually, if I get this table out of here, we can get another car or two in here. All right, so what do we got here? Let's just
Shit.
pull this old bad boy out. Yes.
Oh, Wick's getting the stuff out. Oh, now I got to go backwards.
If we go one trip over, this might be a 5/8, I'm guessing.
Looks like it. $5,930. Where'd you get 615? Measured on the collar, right
5/8 it says.
at the bottom. Now go down a little bit more where it's stepped out. Right there. 6,190. That's 6 under 5/8.
All right, we'll use this one to start with, and we'll see what we get. What do you think?
That sounds good to me.